In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Rise of the Ronin on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this great game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, once you have opened your browser, then go to Google, and we have to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed with the next steps. Search for Steam, and once you arrived at the Steam page, then search for the game Rise of the Ronin. Select it, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see on Steam this is a paid game and it's quite expensive. It is €49.99. So the next step is go to the link in the description of this video and click on it. And once you have done that, you will be redirected to this website. And there we will search for the same game. Now search for it, and as you can see we have different options. But first we will select games. After that we will click on price lowest first. And once you have done that, you will find this game. And as you can see, there is a game available which is much cheaper than on Steam. So if you click on this one and then after that you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to download this game on Steam. So basically you are downloading the same game from Steam but much cheaper. I hope these tips were very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!